Our company sells all kinds of used and new excavators, loaders, rollers, graders, bulldozers, cranes, and other construction machinery and equipment all year round. The brand is Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, Kobelco, Doosan, Volvo, Hyundai, and other excavators. Complete models, more than 2,000 units in stock, is East China's largest second-hand excavator market. Committed to domestic sales, has more than 20 years of experience. For export business, we have a professional sales team and complete after-sales service. We will be the lowest price, the best quality, the highest service to every customer. Welcome every Chinese and foreign partners to visit our site to guide the work.